Hey everyone, it's Miss Amy, and today is the 5th of January, and it is National Bird Day. So I am going to show you some of the great books that we have. The Strange Birds of Flannery Connor. It is a biography. Magnificent Birds, The Boy Who Drew Birds, about John James Audubon. About Birds, Puffling Patrol, Simon & Schuster's Children's Guide to Birds, Our Yard is Full of Birds, Mud City, which is flamingos, When Birds Could Talk, Bats Could Sing, which is a fun collection of folk tales and fairy tales, My Book of Birds, The Amazing Atlas of Birds. Bateman's Backyard Birds by Robert Bateman. Look Up, Bird Watching in Your Own Backyard. These two books were former MSBA books, Main Student Book Award books. Two Little Birds, Little Loon and Papa. Bird Brains, Wacky and Wild World of Birds. My Backyard Book, Fun Facts, Outside and Inside Birds. Kevin Hanks, Birds, Tiny Bird, A Hummingbird's Amazing Journey, Wild Birds, and Birdwatch and Bird Hugs. Some great bird books on National Bird Day, and stay tuned or tune in later on to the my library YouTube channel for a bird craft today, maybe even two. Happy reading. Check some of them out at your local library or a bookstore near you.